channel. This is Yapzor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a CV in Microsoft Word. I know you've probably seen Microsoft Word as a software that you just go there to create your own documents and all that. But I'm just going to teach you a simple trick or a simple thing you may probably have not known Microsoft to do. So when you open Microsoft Word with your data being connected, your internet connected to it, when you open it, you'll find something like this. You see templates, online templates, and all that. So there are a variety of them that you can actually use if you did not know. So we have the blank document, Tor document. We have here a resume, which is a type of CV. We have modern chronological resume. That's more of the CV. We'll be using that very soon. So what you do is, when you come here, you just go to, you can search here, resumes and cover letters. Resume is basically the American way of saying a CV. CV is curriculum vitae, and resume sometimes are more or less just a single page document, but I'll teach you how to do it. So once you click there, you have a whole lot of templates you can work with. So one that if it requires you putting a picture and all that, so you can just scroll through and pick one. I'll pick one here right now, the one I used actually. So we have this, it's called modern chronological resume. So there are actually two over there. The other one was modern chronological cover letter. So you have to be able to know the difference and double click on it. So once you double click on it, it opens for you this page. So it opens the file for you and you can just input your details there. So let's say I'll just do this. So your address, you put your address here. So you just have to check how to put address. Address is not necessarily the exact location of your house, but where you live and all that. So you have the email, you edit this. So you just, whichever that you want, just double click on it and put your email in there. And we have LinkedIn profile. So with a LinkedIn profile, most people will like your LinkedIn profile because it's a business lesson, or if it's an employment, they'll check what you've been posting there so far and all that. We have Twitter, but if you don't have LinkedIn profile, don't worry, just click on it and change it to your WhatsApp number. Sometimes that helps. So whichever that you want to do. So basically, you now come down here, we have the short statement. So you start typing something about yourself. If you don't know how to do that, just go to ChatGPT, provided with some details about yourself and to help you. But this is usually a short statement. So let's say I'm a young motivated person who believes I can make an impact in the world, always willing to learn, open to learn new things and cause an impact. Basically, a statement like that is enough to convince someone. So it's just a convincing statement about yourself, just a short one. So we have experiences. So when you come to the experiences side, you see that you realize that it's a table actually. They've designed it in the form of a table. So you put in your date you started at work to whichever date, job title, company, describe your responsibilities and all that. So once you want to probably extend what is there, you can see here that that's the end of the table. So just click at the end of the last thing on the table and click tab and opens a new table for you. Just copy this. So once you copy it and enter into the new column, you paste it there. So you can see that you've done that and you just edit it to fit into the context of what you actually want to use it for. Education as well. So education, usually it's advisable to start from your most current institution. So let's say you just completed university, you start with the university you completed, you go to the senior high school, you go down till whichever school you've attended. So as you can see here, activities have come down here. So with activities coming down here, it's because I've probably added one thing to the table. So you can just keep on adding up and move on to the next page. We have the skills here. So the skills, usually it's advisable to put your technical skills at one side, your professional skills at one side. So technical skills include skills like graphic design, digital marketing, and depend on the field you are working with. And when it comes to professional skills, it talks of your ability to communicate, communication skills, computer skills, how you work things out and all that. So basically, those are the skills that you put there. So you can just search online the details needed for CV and all that, and to help you. So just basically, this is how you do it. Activities, what you do, and your passion areas. So these are just to help you get more in tune or convincing to your prospective employer. And you can add more details. Personally, for me, I've added a section called awards and certifications. So certifications that I've gotten from online courses and all that, I put it in there because I know it will relate in a way to whichever customer or whichever whoever that I'm putting my CV to. If it's not relevant, you just take it out. So your CV can be general and specific. General CV is what contains all that you've done and all that you do. A specific CV is one that is for a particular job. If it's graphic design job, you put in the skills you have relating to graphic designs, the experiences you have relating to graphic design. So all these are just to help you win that job and all that. So basically, this is how you create a CV with a template. As I said, you don't necessarily need to use this template. Just go here and you'll find a whole number of templates to work with. So thank you very much for watching this video. I know you've learned a thing or two. Just subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below if you have any question, and also like this video, share it among your friends. Sharing is caring. There's nothing better than you helping someone to be able to create a CV just by sharing a simple video. So just do that for me, and till I see my next video, subscribe. Bye bye.